Okay, now I'm going to take the firewall out. Just take like a flat screwdriver, and it should just like, I don't know how I did this last time. It's good on there pretty fucking good last time. Should be all those. Okay, let me get it out. Pry bar, this one. That side. Okay, so it's like right there. So for it's like two screws right over here underneath the firewall, and one right over here would have to come out.
I told you you would come, so just look at them
And there's one over here somewhere.
and over the fields that your elders grew by, and so please help them with their youth. They seek to
looks like right here. That screw. And yeah, it looks like it's like coming right out. Let's see. Yeah, like, just screws off the bottom. That's it. Okay, this is the 1968 VW bus, and today we're gonna take some time to redo the engine bay. Previous video, I power washed it. So here's the results of power washing, and you can see inside here that it's looking pretty clean compared to the way it was, where it was covered in grease. We got this. So what we got to do today is take all the wiring out of it and take the firewall off, and hopefully we can get to taking out this piece and these and all this wiring, and hopefully we can get to priming it today in order to redo this whole engine bay in a nice beautiful white color like the outside here. Alright, so let's get to it. I think it might be enough. And we're going to proceed to take all these off. Switch this firewall out for another firewall and add the gasket. Looks like it needs like a top screw right here. And it's got a bottom down screw down there. All this wiring is going to come off. This one right here, this is the fuel gauge. All of you guys with a van who doesn't have the fuel gauge working, this wire is probably frayed or something like that. You just replace this wire if your fuel gauge isn't working. Good for you. The screws back in. Light hooks up to the transmission. Back it through here. Here's the other wire for it. The other side. Back that through. Apparently they had a fancy stereo in here at one point. So, take that off. Fancy stereo gone. these two lights. Firewall out. Now I'm going to take the lights off. And the wiring's almost all out. Get the lights out of the original screws. Doing the star ones. Don't try that at home. Don't want to break these. Trust me, they were a pain in the ass to put in. Alright, they're pretty stripped. This is water in the bottom here, probably just needs to clean up. And I'm just gonna take this headlamp and shit off. Alright, give me put this seal right now. Seal it here, seal it there, seal it there. Alright, got the firewall pieces out up here. That firewall piece out. I'm just gonna get this corner firewall piece out. It's pretty straightforward to get these out. Just screwdriver these. Screwdriver these. Like that. Screwdriver these. Pop the clip down like that. At any point, just pull it on. Stupidly. This fucking fire. Throw this shit out. Got the lights out, firewalls out, and I just primed it using an epoxy sealer, primer sealer. It's the only one compatible with the paint that I have. And it was a great idea that someone had on the Samba to use the primer spray can instead of the gun. It saved about, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours of work of trying to get the gun ready and getting the primer and everything ready. So here she is, ready to go. I mean, normally you spray the engine compartment once a year, so we're cleaning up at least. And yeah, she's ready to go for paint now. Just got to mix up some paint. Kind of exciting. Okay, I started to spray it and again it stopped working. So I took a paintbrush and quickly painted it on. It's got the first coat of primer on there, white primer. I just matched it with the paint. And we just mixed up some paint. And now I'm going to spray the inside, the beautiful white color it's always been. Yes, finally, after all these years, it's going back to white.
for the fire when it's coldest, or thunder when it rains.
Nice white color.
Oh Lord, won't you buy me
So nice color. Just requires some assembly. Okay, so I got the firewall sticking back in. Let's see here. I think like one swift kick should like get in the right spot. Okay, there, that's in the right spot. Yeah. Okay, now she's in. And I'm gonna put the fucking screws back in now. Alright, see if they line up. This one's kind of fucked. Needs like a maybe like a push down the thing. Somewhere. Yeah, I think that's alright. And then the screw hole kind of like right here. screws back in. Obviously they just go back where they fucking were before. Like, come on, man. Alright, there we go. Okay, so let's see here. Screw number 1. Down there. That's it.
Prove that you love me.
Number 2 was this
Give me a
one.
ride. Make sure to load any troubles on the way. Right now. Friends all drunk. All the cars. Man, I love my van. I was not enough time with no help from my friends. So Lord,
Oh man, I forgot that. Oh, don't forget that. The fuel gauge. Don't forget.
So this is obviously the song of the time I like.
Just too fucking screwed up. That's where they're going.
There's Karen.
There we go. Hammer this back too. Please. Hammer those back. Down. Back in there. This wiring. See here.